What does the future of warfare look like in an AI-driven world? Palmer Luckey, the mind behind Anduril Industries, has some startling insights. But are we ready for what's coming? Welcome back, AI geniuses. I'm Rich, and today we're delving into a topic that's both fascinating and unnerving: the future of war shaped by artificial intelligence, as envisioned by Palmer Luckey. Palmer Luckey, who founded and sold Oculus VR for over $1 billion and then was later fired, is now turning heads with Anduril Industries. His focus? Integrating AI into defense technology. But this isn't sci-fi, it's the imminent future of military strategy. AI is set to redefine warfare. We're talking about autonomous drones, AI-powered surveillance systems, and even decision-making in combat scenarios. Luckey's vision is clear: a battlefield where AI and human capabilities merge for strategic superiority. Let's take a look at his latest project.
So this is Fury. It's an unmanned combat aircraft that is able to work in collaboration with manned fighters, with other manned aircraft, to hugely push out the range that we can engage targets at without putting people at risk. That's kind of one of the coolest things about autonomous systems, not necessarily the fact that they can think faster or do better than a person, but they can also just throw away their lives.
However, this new era of warfare raises critical questions. The ethical implications of AI in combat are vast and complex. How do we ensure accountability? What are the rules of engagement for AI-driven warfare? What are your thoughts on AI's role in future warfare? Join the discussion below. And for more thought-provoking content on AI's impact across different sectors, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AI Genius.